Hello and welcome to the next episode of Make It or Break It. Episode number 6. Today we're gonna make some spot welding for 1865 batteries. Extracted from some laptop. And we will use these nickel strips. Not sure if it will work perfectly because strip is rather thin, but I will try to do my best and make it work just as intended with proper distances between electrodes. Okay. Weld one here. Yes. Okay, we have 4 spots. They have a good distance in between. Let's move to the next side. Okay. We'll use this one. Oh, no. Let's do a little change in our arrangement. Wires, come on. Okay. Spot 1. Spot 2. Great. 1 ready. 5 to go. Okay, it was a success, no explosions, no immediate issues. And I can continue, apply some tin on those ends and prepare those for soldering. By the way, if you're interested, we still have 91%. So 6 batteries drained around 10% of capacity. Electrodes not critically hot, but they pretty hot. I can feel the inside has a lot of heat, around 40-45 degrees centigrade. So if you don't have Chinese spot welding device, please buy one. It's a cool thing. Works out of the box, and the only issue is that it drains battery even if it's off. Thanks. Bye guys.